Are you facing issue with your mouse view? Is your mouse wheel not working or is it too slow? Don't worry, you've come to the right video. Hi, my name is Chola and I'm going to guide you through the process of how to fix your mouse wheel speed issue or fix it in case it's not working. So let's just get started. Now we're going to go to the start button. We are going to type mouse settings. As you can see here, mouse settings, we're going to open this. As it opens up, we're going to go to this option called additional mouse options. Click on this. A new window will pop up. We're going to go to this option called wheel. Make sure that you have this number at least 3. 3 is the system recommended. If you're still having issues with 3, you can make it 4 or 5 and then just click on apply and OK. And also make sure that your speed, double click speed, is set to fast. If it's on the slower side, let's say if it's somewhere around the second dot or third dot, make sure that this is on the faster side. So these two easy and simple steps can boost your mouse wheel scrolling speed, or if it's not working, it can help to fix it. Do try it out and let me know if it actually helped you out. And also make sure to restart your computer once you apply these settings. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.